we have 2 raised to power n minus 1 divided by 4 raised to power n minus 1. Now the numerator remains 2 raised to power n minus 1, but we can do something to the denominator. 4 can be splitted into 2. 2 raised to power 2, n comes, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, then n minus 1. Now what I'm seeing here is I'm going to make an assumption. Let 2 raised to power n be equal to x. So wherever I see 2 raised to power n, I'm going to replace it with x. But first of all, I can still write this as 2 raised to power n minus 1 divided by, I want the n to come in here while the 2 goes out. So it's going to be 2 raised to power n. I'm bringing out the 2 outside. So the 2 is coming out while the n is coming in, still minus 1. So that this condition can hold. So what it simply means, after making my assumption, in place of 2 raised to power n, I'm using x. So in place of this, I'm using x. That makes x minus 1 all over 2 raised to power n is also x. I have a square minus 1. So this can be simplified. X square minus 1 is called difference of 2 square. So I can write this as x minus 1 all over x plus 1 x minus 1. That is difference of 2 square. One is a plus and one is a minus. So when this is expanded, you are going to get x square minus 1. At this point, you can see we have like terms. So this cancels this, which automatically becomes 1 over x plus 1. So with this, we can now replace x. Remember, we suggested x. We assume x to represent 2 raised to power n. So let's go back to our assumption. That means we have it as 1 over x represents 2 raised to power n. So 1 over 2 raised to power n plus 1 becomes our final answer.